Hi everyone. I'm just setting up this video because I want to talk to you about your final assignments. So the final assignment is due tomorrow and the presentations begin tomorrow and Wednesday evening. Because of time constraints and realizing how many presentations we have to get through, Lynn and I have decided that we're going to start our presentation time at 6 o'clock for each Adobe Connect session. We originally had 7 p.m., but we've now changed it to 6 p.m. to accommodate all the presentations. So I want to talk to you a little bit about how this is going to be set up. Some of you have already emailed us about the dates you would prefer to present on, and that's great. And if you haven't done so, please do so as soon as possible. I'll be posting the presentation dates and times tomorrow morning. And if you haven't emailed me a date that you'd prefer to present on, then I'll just be putting you in a random date. In order to make this easiest for you and for us, we've decided to put you into groups for each presentation night. Because we're now going to be starting our Adobe Connect sessions for the presentations at 6 p.m., there are going to be 3 different groups for each evening, a group A, B, and C. So for example, for tomorrow evening's presentations on the 26th, there's going to be a group that we're going to put you in between 6 and 6:50. Then there'll be a second group from 7 to 7:50 and a next group from 8 to 9, okay? In those groups, you are only required to participate in the Adobe Connect session for the assigned group that you are in. You are more than welcome to come and listen to all the different presentations throughout the entire evening. However, you're only required to be on the Adobe Connect session for the group that you are presenting in. You are not required to be present for the other Adobe Connect sessions if you're not in that grouping, okay? Next thing that I want to talk to you about is presentations. It has happened before when you're presenting in an Adobe Connect session and you're using PowerPoint that your images don't end up showing up on the presentation. So what Lynn and I have decided to ask you to do is if you can please put your presentation into a PDF format and send that to us and put that in your Dropbox. But please send us your presentation so that we have it so we can upload it for you for the Adobe Connect session, okay? So if you're able to put that into a PDF, that would be wonderful. It would just save a whole lot of time and energy if for some reason your pictures aren't showing up. If you're not sure how to do that, you can send it to either Lynn or myself and we'll make sure that it gets into a PDF format. For the presentations, anticipate that your presentation should be about 10 minutes max, okay? In order for us to get through everyone, you need to anticipate your presentation to be a maximum of 10 minutes. I know that's a short amount of time, but really look through the presentation and hit on the key pieces that you want to really emphasize on your presentation and aim for a 10-minute presenting time. I think that's everything. So just a quick recap. Our Adobe Connect sessions are now beginning at 6 p.m. rather than 7 p.m. to accommodate everyone and to make sure we don't go over time. There are going to be groupings for the Adobe Connect session. You will be put into a group at random and be given your time, and that'll be coming out tomorrow morning on the news feed. You're only required to be a part of the Adobe Connect session for the group that you are presenting in. You're more than welcome to stay on the Adobe Connect session and listen and watch the other presentations, that's fine, but you're only required to be in for the group presentation that you're presenting in. So please be connected on time for that group presentation that you're going to be put in. If you could please make your presentation a PDF so that you will have no glitches with pictures or text and everything should be seamless and work fine. And remember a 10-minute time frame to be present for your presentation. I think that's everything. If you have any other questions or concerns, please email Lynn or myself. Thanks very much. Have a great day and good luck on finishing up those presentations. We look forward to seeing them and listening to you present. Thanks so much. Bye.